In this video, we will talk about how to download and install free VPN for PC with no sign up or subscription needed. Open any browser, type VPN Gate and press enter. Click on this VPN Gate public free VPN. Click on download and select download VPN with VPN Gate plugin. Once it's downloaded, open the file, double-click on VPN Gate client, and select Extract All. Click on Extract. Again, double-click on VPN Gate client. Select Next. Click on Yes. We have to install the same one, so leave it as it is, and click on Next. Accept the license agreement, select Next, and install it. Let's open it really quick. All right, here we have the app. You have to select VPN Gate servers. Double-click. From here, you can select the option with fewer VPN sessions and higher line speed. Then click Connect to VPN server. Click on OK. As you have just installed this software, it creates VPN Virtual Network Adapter. All right, IP is assigned. Here, you can see we are connected. Let's check the speed. You can see it's working quite well. Let's check our location too. On Google, showing United States. Let me go further into this. Here, you can see everything looks perfectly fine. So that's how you can download and install free VPN for PC. See you in the next video.